There are some lifestyle diseases that are on the increase in today's society. They include diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, high cholesterol, and many other lifestyle diseases. And these lifestyle diseases, they all have one thing in common, just one thing, and that one thing is a diet, the kind of food we eat, how we prepare the food, what we use for the food preparation, the food preparation methods. All of these things are what in combination leads to some of these lifestyle diseases. Doctors will always say, if you are concerned with one, you should be concerned with all of them because they all are linked to our diet. How can we fight against some of these lifestyle diseases? And what are the activities, what are the actions that we take on a daily basis that even contributes or exacerbates some of these lifestyle diseases? That is why we say there are 5 enemies to nutrition. Number 1 is spilling. Number 2 is cooking in water. Number 3, fat and oil. Number 4, high heat. Number 5, oxidation. When you peel your food, any food that is grown underneath the soil, you lose about 50% of the vitamins and minerals in the food. Cook the food in water. Water-soluble vitamins and minerals usually will dissolve inside water, and we tend to take that away. Sometimes we throw them away or we lose them through the cooking process. High heat also. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. But nutritional experts have said that at 90 degrees Celsius, you start losing vitamins and minerals. For instance, B6 does not go beyond 90 degrees Celsius. So we destroy all of that while we are trying to cook our food. Again, fat and oil, which makes it difficult for your food to digest. When you eat fat and oil, sometimes saturated fat and oil, if I must be exact, the body stores them where you don't want it, leading to some of the lifestyle diseases. So what we are saying is this: you can obviously eat your food without necessarily getting them involved with fat and oil, cooking them below the boiling point, cooking as low as 86 degrees Celsius, which is good enough to destroy the germs in the food, but also retaining the electrical potential, which is the life force of the food. So Saladmaster is committed to teaching families, showing families how they can use food to fight against all of those lifestyle diseases. For instance, you can cook your food without oil and you will not miss the oil while maximizing the vitamins and minerals in the food. The pan, the pots that you also use to cook the food can also contribute a lot. Sometimes the PFOA in the non-stick pan leaches into the pan. Sometimes the aluminum pot leaches aluminum into the food. Stainless steel leaches nickel into the food, and many other toxins that comes as a result of the interaction between your food and the metal with which you have decided to feed your family with. Saladmaster is made with 316 titanium stainless steel interior, which resists any form of chemical reaction between the food, the acids in the food, and the pan with which you're cooking with. So Saladmaster happens to provide the solution to all of these problems using its first-class technology. It combines technology, it combines quality, it combines, health, just to help families to stay healthy and to live longer. I'll use this for example. This is the Saladmaster 10 quart, right? You should hear this. This is called the vapor valve, which protects the food. It's called the nutrition protector. It protects your food from damage. It protects you from losing nutrition. That is what we call it, the nutrition protector. Also, the interior of the cookware is made with 316 titanium. Look at how clean it looks like. Look at how clean it is. It is pure. It is made with 316 titanium stainless steel interior. And then the outer part is made with 400 series induction stainless steel, which gives it this mirror finishing. But another interesting thing is the stainless part pushes the heat back into the cookware, making sure that the amount of energy you use is really limited. Which means when you are eating from Saladmaster, apart from protecting your family, apart from protecting your health, you are also protecting the world, because Saladmaster helps you to reduce your carbon footprint. Saladmaster is eco-friendly. The energy savings in Saladmaster is about 83%, which means when you use Saladmaster to cook your food, you are going to save a lot of energy. Instead of spending so much money on your gas or electricity bill if you use induction cooker, Saladmaster saves you a lot of that. Saves you time, saves you money, but more importantly, also saves you energy, reducing your carbon footprint in the world today. So an investment in Saladmaster is also an investment in trying to save the world. Most people are concerned saying, oh, the price is too much. Oh, they are concerned about the price. Saladmaster ranges between $3,800 to about $17,000 per set. We also have individual items you can go for, which are far cheaper. But an investment in Saladmaster is generally an investment for the entire family. And I will just say this, Saladmaster does not sell its product online, and you can also buy it in the open market. Saladmaster only sells its products through dealerships like PL Transform Limited, which is the #1 dealership of Saladmaster in Nigeria. And what we do basically is to encourage customers to use Saladmaster the best way by putting effort to ensure that their family and their family's health is all protected. An investment in Saladmaster is an investment in your family's health. When you invest in Saladmaster, it is a lifestyle change. It is not just about pots and pans. It is an encouragement to the entire family to start this journey towards healthy living. And remember, the healthiest place in the world, really, for each individual is their kitchen. And when you invest in Saladmaster, Saladmaster gives you that ability, supports the family, gives you the effort to start your journey towards a healthier life.